Through pop culture, as a society, we ingest a lot of fictionalized drama. When given a front row seat to the most recent developments in a real-life, high-profile criminal case, it is not surprising that our attention grows. Viewers can have a seat in the courtroom and see dramatic courtroom reactions from the most well-known trials. So in this video, we are going to talk about the 3 craziest convict reactions to life sentence. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 3. Ryan Stone. The family of the man who led police on a dangerous car chase that spanned more than 60 miles and critically injured a state trooper says he is a compassionate person who feels remorse for his actions. But recordings of conversations played during Ryan Stone's sentencing hearing Friday revealed a man who bragged about making international news and belittled the victims in his case. Stone was sentenced to 160 years in prison. He will likely become eligible for parole after 75 years, prosecutors said. A Douglas County jury convicted Stone of 18 charges in April, including attempted manslaughter, first-degree assault, and child abuse. During the pursuit in March 2014, Stone reached speeds of 100 miles per hour while he raced over his shoulders and sped toward oncoming traffic. "You held this community hostage for 90 minutes that day," Douglas County District Judge Paul King told Stone before sentencing him. The chase began in Longmont, where Stone stole an SUV carrying a boy buckled into a car seat from a gas station. He carjacked 2 other vehicles before the pursuit was over. Trooper Bellaman, he was critically injured when Stone hit the trooper while driving at about 90 miles per hour. He had deployed a device to deflate the tires on the vehicle Stone was driving shortly before he was hit by the car. His leg was shattered in 20 places. He described the pain and constant headaches that he now lives with. The trooper had hoped to return to work full-time this month, but his exhaustion and injuries pushed that goal back. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Number 2. Jeffrey McDonald. The United States Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit issued an order on Thursday, September 16, dismissing an appeal filed by convicted murderer Jeffrey McDonald. As a result, McDonald will continue to serve out the 3 consecutive life sentences he received for murdering his wife and 2 young daughters at Fort Bragg, North Carolina in 1970. McDonald has filed numerous unsuccessful challenges to his murder convictions, which have been repeatedly rejected by federal courts at every level. McDonald's latest appeal stemmed from a motion he filed in November 2020 requesting that the court grant him compassionate release and reduce his life sentence. The United States vigorously opposed the motion in briefing and at a hearing held on March 11, 2021, arguing that McDonald was not eligible for compassionate release and should not be let out of prison early. McDonald initially appealed that decision. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals has now dismissed the appeal upon McDonald's request and with the United States' consent. As a result, Judge Boyle's order will stand, and McDonald will remain in prison. Number 1. Franklin Williams. Williams was convicted in 1997 and sentenced to life in prison. He spent 23 years behind bars for a crime he did not commit. "I had blacked out with the verdict. I couldn't believe it," said Cynthia Franklin, Williams' mom. While imprisoned, Williams earned his associate's degree and started working on a bachelor's. The Staten Island District Attorney's Conviction Integrity Unit reopened his case in 2017 and discovered new evidence. A credible new witness came forward, and investigations also confirmed Williams' alibi. As it turned out, he was working at the Wu-Tang Clan recording studio on the day of the shooting. "He left a part of me left, so it was never really the same again," said rapper Jost Fiskilla. It's enraging to read how the investigation unfolded and to see somebody who has lost decades of their life because police manufactured evidence and ignored and buried information that came to them that they had the wrong person, said Vanessa Potkin, director of special litigation at the Innocence Project to the New York Times. But cases like Mr. Williams are really common. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.